Hi students, coming to the next topic of meta tag. In earlier video, we had learned the basic points related to the meta tag. Okay, so we will discuss here one example how to write meta tag in HTML document. Okay, so we will start here. Example. First of all, tell me meta tag is written which section? That is definitely head section. Okay, so HTML, then HTML tag, after that head, then write here what? Meta tag, meta. Okay, then char set is equal to what? UTF-8. This is what? This is the character encoding format. Okay, character set format, and the value of this attribute of the meta tag is what? UTF-8. This is the encoding, character encoding format. Okay, next meta name is equal to description content is equal to what? Web tutorials. Okay, in this line, what is the attribute of meta tag here? That is name. Name is equal to what? That is a description. Means it defines the HTML document description, which is related to what? Web tutorials. So content of this attribute is what? Web tutorial. Means this document is related to what? Web tutorials. Okay. Next, meta name is equal to author and then content is equal to John. This defines what? This defines the author of your HTML document. Okay, author of your HTML document. Next, meta name is equal to keywords. And content of this one, content is equal to CSS, HTML, JavaScript. Okay, this line is related to what? It is related to the keywords. What you want to search in your search box, this all these contents are provided in this keywords content, that is CSS, HTML, JavaScript. Okay, and then close the head tag. Okay, and after that close HTML tag. Okay, so this is your one simple example how to write the meta tag in HTML document. Okay, next we will study here attributes of the HTML tag, meta tag. Okay, what are the attributes? Attributes of meta tag. Okay, what are the attributes of the meta tag? We will discuss here. So first attribute is attributes. First attribute is what? Char set. Okay, char set. Next, Next attribute is content. Okay. Next attribute, that is third one, HTTP equi. Okay. Next, fourth, that is name. So these are the some attributes of the meta tag. So we will discuss one by one what are the values of each attribute and description of the each attribute. So next is what? Values. Value of attribute. So when we write char set, what is the value of the attribute of this attribute? That is character set. Okay. What is the value of this one? That is character set. Okay. Then content. What is the value of the content? That is text. Next, value of the HTTP equi is equal to what? Content type, content type, then default style, after that refresh. Okay, and content security policy. Then name attribute value is what? Application name, author, description, keywords. These are the some values of the name attribute. Okay. Next we will discuss here description of each attribute. Okay. Next column is what? Description. Okay. So char set specifies the character encoding for the HTML document. Okay, specifies character encoding for HTML document. Okay. Next, what is the description of content? It specifies the value associated with the HTTP equi or a name attribute. Okay. So it specifies values, specifies the value associated with HTTP eq or name attribute. Okay, name attribute. Next, what is the description of HTTP equi? Provides an HTML header for the information or value of the content attribute. Okay, provides an HTTP header or content of the attribute or content values of attribute. Okay. Next thing, what is meant by name here? Description of name attribute, that is specifies the name for the metadata. Specifies a name for the metadata. Okay, so this is your detailed explanation about attributes of the meta tag. Okay, just recall once again. What are the attributes of meta tag? First is what? Character set. Value of the character char set is what? Character set. What is the description of this attribute? Specifies the character encoding for HTML documents. Okay, it specifies the encoding format of HTML document. Okay, next attribute is what? Content. Content. What is the value of this attribute? That is text. It specifies what? Specifies the values associated with HTTP equi and name attribute. Okay. Then third is what? HTTP equi attribute. Okay. What is the value of HTTP equi attribute here? That is content type, default style, refresh, or content security policy. Okay. So what is the description of this one? Provides a HTTP header or content value of the attribute. It provides what? HTTP header or content type values of the particular attribute here. Next thing is what? Next attribute is name attribute. So values for this attribute is what? Application name, author, description, keywords. Okay, and it specifies the name for the metadata. Okay, thank you.